To attach the Rechargeable Battery Pro to SONNET 3, hold it at an angle to the control unit. Make sure the white release lever on the battery faces the same direction as the ear hook. Insert the lip of the control unit into the matching groove on the battery. Gently press the opposite end of the battery toward the control unit until it clicks into place. Then, slide the cover over the battery pack. Make sure to use the cover that corresponds to the battery you are using. If the audio processor belongs to a child, lock it into place. To remove the battery, make sure that the battery pack cover lock is in the unlocked position and remove the cover. Press the white release lever and pull back the battery. Gently move the battery back further until it glides out of the lip. To charge the battery, connect the charging unit to a power source using a USB-C cable. Insert the battery straight down into the slot. The white release lever should face the same way as the MEDEL logo. If inserted correctly, magnet attraction will pull the battery into place. You do not need to use force. The amber indicator light shows the battery is charging. When the indicator light turns off, the battery is fully charged. This takes up to 3 hours. You can charge the batteries with or without the control unit attached.